What's up guys, Truck Palmer here. Today I will be removing and installing the headlights on this 2014 Honda Accord Coupe. The process will be similar for other Honda Accord Honda vehicles, so you can follow these steps. This job has a lot of moving parts because the bumper will need to be removed to remove the headlight. You will need a clip removal tool, a screwdriver and a 10mm socket. That's it. The first step is to remove 4 bumper clips that are on the top right here, 2 here to the side and 2 right here at the front. Now it's time to remove 2 screws from the wheel liner right here. To access these screws, turn on the vehicle and move the wheel to the right for the right side and to the left for the left side. I will use an impact driver here to speed up the process. The screws are out. Now I can go to the other side. I will also need to turn the wheel inwards to access these screws. The screws are out. Now it's time to remove some clips under the vehicle which holds the bumper in place. I will need to raise the car a little to get under the vehicle. There is a splash guard here that is attached to the bumper and this is held in place by clips. Remove the clips down here that is attached to the frame of the car. I'll just take my time and remove each clip. It is nice to have a metal type clip removal tool like this one. Just place it in the space right here and pry the clip out. I will take my time to remove these clips. All I need to do is to pull the bumper off the vehicle. There are some clips holding it in place. Now I can pull the bumper off the vehicle. The final thing to do to remove this bumper is to unplug the fog light connectors. That's one. And this is the other one over here. Now the headlight is held in place by 4 10mm bolts and 1 clip. One here, one here, one here, one here, and this bumper clip. Just pry it out and it should come right off like this. Now I will need to unplug all these connectors. Now I can move to the other headlight. I'll remove these 4 screws and this bumper clip. Now I can release the headlight from the notch right here and right here. Now I will unplug all these connectors for this side as well. Now I can remove the headlight. That's pretty much it to remove the headlight, and I had to remove the bumper to do so. Now if you bought a new headlight, you will have to transfer the bulbs and this bracket as well. This bracket is held in place by 2 screws. Just unscrew them. Now if you plan to reuse these halogen bulbs, just twist and remove them. Or you can upgrade to LED, which looks better and improve visibility on the road, especially at night. Now I will be reinstalling a used headlight, and I'm pretty much replacing this because this daylight running bulb stopped working and it might be very difficult to replace this, so I will be replacing the whole thing. You might be installing a new headlight. Just transfer this bracket right here. Install this bracket with the 2 10mm bolts and reinstall your halogen bulbs or upgrade to LED. Now to reinstall this headlight, plug in all electrical connectors. And then align this notch here at the top and one at the side. These will hold the headlight in place. Now I can install the 4 10mm bolts and 1 clip for right here. Now this is a little trick that I do to prevent bolts from falling out of the socket when there's a long reach like this. I use a piece of paper in the socket to hold the bolt in place. Now it won't fall. That bolt is in. Now I can install the other bolt. Now that light is secured. Now I can install the other headlight. Now for this side of the light, I need to connect the electrical plugs. Now I can align the notch to hold the headlight in place. Now it's time to install the 4 10mm bolts and the one clip for this side. A 10mm bolt should go right here, and I will install that later. Now I can reinstall the bumper. To reinstall the bumper, first reconnect the electrical plugs for the fog lights. There is one on the left and one on the right. Now I can lift the bumper in place and then hold it here with one clip. Now I can let it go and move to the other side. This is pretty much the easy part of the job. I just need to align the bumper with the headlight right here and push the bumper in place. It will snap right in place. There are some clip holding this here. Ensure that the two sides are snapped right in. Now I can reinstall the 2 screws for the wheel liner right here. And there are also 2 screws to be installed on the other side. Remember to turn the wheel inwards for easier access. All that is left to do right now is to install the bumper clips under the vehicle. Some of your clips might be damaged, so it's always good to have a clip set like this. You can buy these on Amazon. So I will take my time and reinstall the clips under the car, and this job is pretty much done. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. But before you go, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one, guys.